Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cabbage to butaniku no motsunabe fu. Motsunabe is a type of hot pot. Normally, pork guts or beef guts are used to make this hot pot. But I'm not very good at cooking or eating guts, so I'm using pork rib slices instead. That's why I call it motsunabe fu, meaning motsunabe-ish, not just motsunabe. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this motsunabe fu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage, Chinese chive or garlic chive, 400 grams of pork rib slices. It's very thinly sliced like shabu-shabu style. 1 tablespoon each of Chinese soup stock, soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili pepper and sesame seeds, and some garlic, as much as you like. And this is the Chinese soup stock I'm using today. As always, let's do all the cutting first. So garlic. I'm using 5 cloves today, but you can use more or less depending on how garlicky you want to make it. It's skin removed already. Let's make thin slices. And straight into the pot. Garlic chive. Cut the end off because it's dried. Cut them into half, put them together. And just cut it into 2 inches or so. I'm going to use it at the end, so let's put it in a plate and set aside. Try to keep it nice and neat. And cabbage. Remove the core. Let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. All into the pot. It's a lot of cabbage, but they won't shrink, so don't worry. Let's add the seasonings. Chinese soup stock, soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili pepper, and 3 cups of water. Put the lid on and just cook it until cabbage is nice and soft. I cooked it for 10 minutes or so and the cabbage is wilted. Let's give it a mix. Put the lid back on and keep cooking until the cabbage is completely cooked. Cook for another 5 minutes and cabbage is all nice and soft. Let's add the pork. When the pork is well cooked, put pork on one side and cabbage on the other side. But this is just for better presentation, so if it's too much work, you don't have to do this. Then Chinese chive. Put the lid back on and cook for 1 to 2 minutes just to wilt the chive. Now, the chive is looking good. Turn the heat off and let's put some sesame seeds. And キャベツと豚肉のもつ鍋風 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's take some in the bowl here. Cabbage, chive, pork, and the broth. And いただきます。It's such an easy dish with simple ingredients, but it's amazingly flavorful. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Motsunabe is the main, so I'm putting it here, but actually, hot pot is something we put in the middle of the table and share. And it contains a lot of cabbage, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickle to refresh your palate for the other one. Motsunabe is soupy dish, so you can pass the soup too. You can have a bowl of rice or your favorite onigiri here and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoyed. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!